Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Mail Call Day. Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pens. So let's get into the envelope, okay? And I believe this came today, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, today, yeah. I'll open this up. And I ordered this from Yafa. Yep, no, it's not a fountain pen. Close. I ordered me a nib. So let's get this little jewel out. Okay, we'll get this. Wow, that was one tight case to open it. All right, and here is the nib. And I can't wait to see it. And hold your britches there. Let me get this little jewel out. And this is the new Yafa Jovo nibs. And this is a medium. So later I'll be reviewing this nib. Beautiful little nib. I do like the detail work that Monteverde puts on there. Really sharp looking nib. Very affordable. Monteverde logo. So, thank you for joining me today on Mail Call, and this is what I got. One of them there nibs. Take care, my friends. Until my next video, be safe. Peace and love to all. And wash them hands. As always, don't text and don't drive. Bye-bye.